Om Shanti. Today, 24th of September 2021. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. Baba says, I have come to make you kings of kings, prince of prince. I am teaching you this knowledge and Raj Yoga in order to change you from an ordinary man into Narayan or Krishna, or from an ordinary woman into Lakshmi or Radhe. God himself is teaching you, but some children become confused when Baba says God speaks. Because God is incognito, they think that perhaps this Dada is saying that God speaks. Baba says human beings cannot be called as a God. I enter this body and teach you Raj Yoga and gives you knowledge to make you beautiful by sitting on the pyre of knowledge. Now you have become ugly by sitting on the pyre of lust. Baba says, I have taken this body on loan for a short time. I enter an ordinary old body to teach you children. I do not enter a womb. Those who enter a womb have to take rebirth. I definitely need to take the support of matter. Baba says he is Karan Karavanhar. He continues to make this one do everything and this one continues to learn everything. You too learn everything. Baba says, I come to teach you children, but even this one soul also continues to study. He will become Narayan by making effort. Baba says it is written in Gita, whenever there is a extreme irreligiousness in Bharat, I will come. I will come in Bharat only. This is my birthplace. I am again making this Bharat paradise. People call me Heavenly Godfather. Baba says, again this Bharat will become the land of Krishna. Now this has become the land of Kans, the demon. Baba says, I have come to make you voiceless. You have to become that by the power of Raj Yoga. Baba says, they simply say that all of that is God's doing. That is, it is the God who gives both happiness and sorrow. And that everything is a form of God. However, the father says, how can I cause the children sorrow? Do children ever ask the father for sorrow? The father makes you children worthy and gives you his property, but each of you receives sorrow according to your own actions. Baba says you didn't perform devotion for just one birth. You have been doing it since the Copper Age. Devotion was at first unadulterated. They just used to worship Shiva. You must not stop anyone from performing devotion. The Father has come to give you devotees the fruit of your devotion. If you do not perform devotion, they say that we have become atheists. Baba advises you to stay in remembrance of Baba as a detached observer. You may worship a little externally. It is a one thing to do something from your heart and another is to do something to please others. Internally, you just have to remember Shiv Baba. If some people trouble you, just perform worship externally to show them and they will become happy. Blessing of today's Murli is that may you be constantly full of power and become free from your old sanskars and obstacles. If you want to be free from any type of obstacle, weakness or old sanskar, imbibe power. That is, adopt your form of wearing all the ornaments. Those who remain constantly decorated with all the ornaments become part of the Vishnu dynasty in the future. And they become Vaishnavas at the present time. No tamoguni thought or sanskar can touch them. They easily step aside from the old world, that is, from anything people of the world. No one can touch them for any reason. Slogan: to keep a balance at every moment, in every action, is the way to receive everyone's blessing. Om Shanti.